Hi guys, today we received this HIPPUS multimedia projector for viewing purposes. It's an LED projector which I think it's really nice. Okay, so we're gonna open it. Put my cup here. Okay, it comes with this foam to protect the projector. It's a very, small projector, which I think is really nice because it's more portable. This is the projector. You can set it like this, so it projects upon the wall, like this. It has the adjustment wheel up here and all the necessary ports and buttons, the back part. The projector also comes with this package, which has obviously the energy cable, a quick installation guide, which I'm gonna take a quick read. Okay, and the controller for the projector in this little nice package. It's a very thin controller, which I like, slim, and it needs 2 AAA batteries. So let's go and get the batteries, and I'm gonna set up the projector in the room. Okay, so I've already connected the projector, so what I'm gonna do is plug the HDMI into my laptop. So you can see it has many pre-installed applications, which is really nice, and you can select here to use the HDMI and use, I don't know, your computer like I am, or using your gaming console, which I think it's really nice. It's a great projector. It looks really great, and I will actually really recommend because it's very easy to install, very easy to use, and as you can see, it looks really nice. Okay guys, so I will really recommend it.